Hello there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for clicking to watch this video. You're welcome to Trendy Styles Forever, where you find beautiful and amazing braid hairstyles, especially for you, the beautiful black woman or woman of black descent. Right now, you'll find new pictures of cornrows, braid styles. You'll find DIY cornrow braids hairstyle ideas of various types. Of course, beautiful, unique lengths to give you that differential look. You can also find cornrow braid hairstyles for ladies. All through, you'll find beautiful mini braids, beautiful jumbo size braids, lovely and amazing medium, as well as short length braids, beautiful long braids hairstyles, lovely and amazing styles all through. Amazing styles, hairstyles you can do with braids. You can find easy cornrow styles for beginners. You can find cornrows with braiding hair extensions of different hair colors. Of course, you should definitely find beautiful and amazing hairstyles that should help you out every single day of the week. Make sure you watch this video through the end. You can also check out what we have for you previously uploaded on this platform up and running. You can also let us know your thought on the comment section. How do you feel about picking a style from this video that you're watching right now, and what was the outcome for the particular hairstyle that you went for? Make sure you consult with a hair professional or stylist around you for what particular hairstyle should be suitable for your face type or shape. Remember also to subscribe if you're especially a first time viewer. You can also watch our previously uploaded videos. We have tons of amazing videos up and running already, as already mentioned. Leave us a like, a thumbs up to encourage the growth of this video and this channel as a whole. Subscribe for more ideas. Do not forget the notification bell, as that is the only way you get notified of new and incoming videos from us. Share your thought on the comment section. Keep coming back for more. Keep a date with us here always. Till tomorrow, you take care and bye.